WebEx meetings, calling, and webinars comes with noise removal. What is noise removal, you ask? It's just one of the amazing AI features that WebEx has that removes all that background noise. Landscapers out front? No problem. Noisy coworkers or family in your environment? We've got you covered. Taking a call or meeting from the coffee shop today? Don't worry, we only hear you. Noise removal is always on and it's available in all of your devices: desktop, laptop, mobile phones, tablets, and video conferencing devices. Let's start a call. And don't forget, noise removal is in your WebEx meetings and webinars as well. To access noise removal features in WebEx, click on the drop-down arrow to the right of your mute or unmute button in the control bar below. Under WebEx Smart Audio, you'll find noise removal. If there's a drop-down arrow, go ahead and click on it. The default checked option is noise removal. This is going to remove background noise, loud equipment, traffic, household appliances. I have tested it with my vacuum right next to me, and my meeting attendees heard nothing. Next is optimize for my voice. This removes all background noise and background speech. It gets those loud noises, but it also silences all the background chatter of the people around you. When I think of the difference between noise removal and optimize for my voice, I think about when I'm working at home. Noise removal is going to work out for me there, but when I am working in the office, optimize for my voice is going to be a better option because I'm in a shared workspace. Next is optimize for all voices. You will want to use this when you are in a room with other people that want to be heard. Perhaps you and your team are in a conference room using one connection, and you've all got something to contribute. The last option is music mode. Music mode preserves the original sound of your microphone. This is the selection you will want to make if you are playing an instrument, perhaps giving a music lesson or playing music from another device. You'll want that music to sound as good as possible to your audience. If you want to choose one of the WebEx Smart Audio settings as your default, choose the Audio Settings option here. Or you can always access your audio settings in the WebEx app. In here, you're going to find options to test your ringer and alerts, your output volume and speakers. You can also choose which of your speakers you want to use in case you've got multiple options. This is the same for your microphone's input level volume, and you can always choose what microphone you'd like to use. It's also where you can come in and choose your preferred WebEx Smart Audio setting. Now let's move on to some best practices. Keep noise removal on. You really never know when there's going to be some of those loud sounds behind you. Set your preferences in audio settings. Depending on the environment you're in, maybe you're at your home office alone or you're in a shared workspace in the office, you can access your audio settings in the WebEx app prior to joining meetings and calls. And of course, you can always access your audio settings on the fly during a meeting if you need to make an adjustment. Thanks for watching, and be sure to visit WebEx Academy to learn more.